So we had to pull over to the side of the road. Just the protective like foam and plastic that they put on the tub starts flying off sometimes, so we just gotta take it off to make sure we don't lose any important parts of the hot tub. We're here in Jackson, Wyoming today. It's pretty cold out, but thankfully it is not snowing. They got a good 2-3 feet of snow over the weekend though, so we just had the customer, he was really nice, lended us a tractor and we snow blowed out a path for us. But we're installing this reunion that we have loaded up on the back of the trailer, and it should be pretty smooth. We're also removing an old hot tub, so So we got the hot tub set here. It's not fully set yet until we have to wait for the electrician to get the whip into the tub itself. But this is about where it will sit. So right now we're just unwrapping it and getting it ready to go.